Hi, it's Harry with Pioneer. We are on stop number 4 of the Hot Rod Power Tour in 2010. We're in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Of course, I want you to remember that Pioneer Electronics is the official car audio sponsor of the Hot Rod Power Tour in 2010. We're not just in Bowling Green. I mean, look what's going on behind me. We are at the airport in Bowling Green, Kentucky. The Hot Rod Power Tour took over the whole airport. It's not just classic cars here, they even have classic airplanes. I mean, the whole place is crazy. We are doing a really cool install on a 67 Mustang, this beautiful red. Our great local retailer, Poston Electronics, is helping us out. We're having a great day here today. I want you to check out all the craziness, all the installs, and all the cars and all the airplanes that are happening here. Check us out. It's all behind me. We are having a ball with everything.
My name's Craig, from Russellville, Kentucky, not too far from here. The car is a 67 Ford Mustang, most of it. It's been redone. My wife and my boys and I have done everything to it except the paint. My wife did the inside, did all the mechanical work and body work, and my boys helped out with it. Mike contacted me from Poston Electronics and was a little nervous about the install, but after talking to him, and he asked me to come down, bring the car to the shop. They went through with a plan, looking at how they were going to do everything, taking measurements. Really made me feel comfortable. They knew what they were doing, and I felt a lot better after stopping by the shop and visiting with them, and then watching them work today. Very professional. They did a great job.